What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. Y'all see where I am, man. Today I've got a special episode for you guys, so stay tuned. We're reviewing the Thunder 4s, so y'all get ready. And before I go any further, guys, you know I gotta give a special shout out to Aphonics, the #1 sneaker store in Orlando. The place where to get the heat. The Thunder arrived early, man. It's a party in the city. I'm here with my boy D-Lo right now.
What's up, gang?
Y'all see what's going on, man. How do you feel about these, bro? You got these over a month early. You can't stop the motion, bro.
You already know what's going on. Honestly, bro, let me just go ahead and grab this second pair. If you had to compare it, we all know where we're going with those Thunders. Red Thunders came out, what, last year probably sometime. And it had nothing to compare with, honestly, bro. This shoe here is going to be one of the biggest Jordan 4 releases, other than the Nike SB that came out. I don't have it with me right now, but this shoe is still one of the dopest ones to come out this year. It's just dope.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, and here we are, the main point of this video, which is the early in-hand review of the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. Now, as always, you guys can pause this video at any moment if you need to, because every single pair of sneakers that you see on this channel is legitimate and cooked for retail for the most part. So, like I said, if you need to use this as a reference for like a legit versus fake check, be my guest. And let's get into this, baby. Personally, I already love the branding on this. I love 4s, and a lot of the times when we get collaboration pieces and things like that, we get a cool touch. But sheesh, here's a little sneak peek. Give me a little drum roll, and goddamn, here we go, guys. Wow, they pop, man. I know I'm using a nice camera, but these Johns really pop. And make sure y'all stay tuned, because you're going to learn a little bit something about why they released 3 times, a little bit about the history about them, and we're even going to touch base on some resale topics. So let me know what you guys think with your initial reaction so far. Personally, that yellow, I can't get enough of it. And let me know in the comments. Now, let's go ahead and do a little history lesson. Now, like I said, these sneakers have released 3 times, and it wasn't until 2003 when Michael Jordan retired that he decided he wanted to go ahead and start a motorsport team. He was tired of winning on the court, so he wanted to do it on a motorcycle. He ended up enlisting the help of Nike creative director Mark Smith to go ahead and create the Air Jordan Motorsport sneakers and the series itself. And then that leads us to 2006 when we ended up getting the iconic Thunder 4s. And in addition to the 4s, we also saw the release of the Lightning 4s as well. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of context as to why these have released so many times. Now, in addition to the initial release in 2006, although they were very, very limited, Jordan Brand ended up then re-releasing them in 2012. And most of the time when you see your favorite rappers wearing them, those are the pairs that they are wearing. Now, back to the actual sneaker itself, I hate when sneaker reviewers just say that it's dope. I personally love it beyond just it being dope. I love that the color pops. I love that you can basically wear this with anything. A lot of times with sneakers, I hate that you're kind of restricted per outfit style, but honestly, the Jordan 4 silhouette is so classic and iconic to me. And personally, I love everything from the oversized tongues to the support wings, the mesh netting, and the pull tabs. Tinker Hatfield really did his thing when he designed the Jordan 4 in 1989, so I just wanted to get your guys' opinion about it. Now, I did want to go ahead and include a picture of the Lightning 4s because I did reference them earlier, and we're going to go ahead and talk about the resale predictions here in just a moment, just because they are relative and those did release in 2021. Now, as far as resale prices reflect for the 2021 pair, I know they look a little bit low considering that they released in 2021 and retail was like $210 or $220. As you guys can see, even some of the pairs from 2006 don't sell for that much, but honestly, everybody and their mother had these, so I think that's kind of why. The Lightning 4s are a classic pair, and here's even Wale and Travis Scott wearing them, so there's no shame in picking them up, and personally, I regret having missed out on them in 2021, and the good thing is that they're not super expensive, so I don't expect the resale on them to be that crazy. But for reference, I did also want to go ahead and include this Air Jordan 4 Thunder Red just as kind of a reference point relative to these sneakers. As you guys can see, the Jordan brand definitely did their thing when they created the Thunder Reds as well, and personally, I just love the silhouette and the color. The bread colorway, or black and red, is basically classic and iconic at this point, and as a dude that wears mostly black, I personally love these, and I know that's exactly why I'm going to also enjoy the Thunder 4s. The red accents are definitely popping on these sneakers, and I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice, but again, I just wanted to include this pair to give you guys a reference point, just to show you that Jordan has been doing their thing for quite some time, and I also wanted to get your opinion on these. They didn't release too long ago, and as you can see, most resale prices are kind of in like the mid 3s to high 4s at some time, so Personally, I think that that's going to be a relative reflection of how I expect this to actually play out in the secondary market. Now, at the moment, when you look at prices, and anybody that has them early is going to be taxing just because they're justified. These are releasing on May 13th, so they're very, very early in hand right now. And I hope that this video can convince you if you're kind of on the fence right now. Now, this next little thing I wanted to throw in is kind of like an Easter egg for all of my viewers and fans. I know I have a lot of Young Dolph fans, so I think it's really sick that Key Glock on one of his Yellow Tape 2 albums is actually wearing the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. So that's just another reason for all of y'all to get this pair. Now, these last few clips are just some pictures I took today, and like I said, the camera truly does not do these justice. If you're on the fence about getting them, definitely wait until they come out if you're not too keen to spend a bag right now. But personally, these are gorgeous sneakers. Like I said, the Air Jordan 4 is a classic. It came out all the way back in 1989, and it really has been turning heads ever since. It's a utility sneaker. I've seen people wear it with suits. I've seen people wear it casually. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm super thankful to the dudes at Aphonics, for allowing me to take these in, to do this little review, and to ultimately show you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this super early preview of the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. If you made it this far, make sure y'all drop a like and subscribe. Let me know if you like this type of content. And as always, guys, stay safe, man. This world is crazy. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen, and peace.